Hello everyone and welcome to my English. I know teachers love what we do. We're passionate about this. But let's be honest, that is not easy, right? Sometimes it's tiring. Class after class, a lot of paperwork, parents. So we have many things in mind. And sometimes we may feel like dinosaurs. We run out of ideas. And that could be a problem for our teaching practice, for our students. So that's why I decided to create a session in my channel. It is called Tips for Teachers. Yes, tips for you. I would like to share those successful experiences that I have had in more than 20 years of teaching. I have had great results, and that's why I decided to create this new session in order to be able to help you. Now, the first tip I would like to share with you today, it's about music. Music is a very powerful tool. I am sure about that. Music could be also a vitamin for new ideas. Evidence has shown how powerful it is when people are sick, for example. Music provides a feeling of hope, and also it can give people new energy, that energy that they need to face those difficult moments in their lives. Now, when we're talking about the teaching practice, the teaching and learning processes, music could be also a very useful tool. A lot of experiences have shown how useful and how interesting it could be if we use music in our classes. It helps students to engage. It reduces anxiety also. It creates a nice environment, which is very useful in the teaching and learning process, and you know that. It provides extra energy, not only for students, but also for you, for teachers who would really need the extra energy. It really helps your practice. Now, the question is, how can we do it? First, you need to find out hits, students' favorite music, that music that it's played all around the world. Those songs that students sing all the time. Play one of these songs before you start teaching, and also play some of them when you are teaching your classes. Smile also. Smiling is very important. That's something that I have learned in these 20 years of experience. Do not smile from your lips. Sometimes you are so tired that you cannot do it. But smile from your heart. That is the best smile possible. And believe me, your students will recognize that and will feel good about that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please make comments about how do you think music could help in your classes. Just try. Use this tip, and believe me, it will help you a lot. And also click on the bell so we can keep in contact, and please make comments so we can share our ideas and we can help each other. Thank you and have a good day.